Now we'll be going over teaching models observed. We'll be going over the 6 different types. We'll starting with the 1 teach, 1 observe, and station teaching. 1 teach, 1 observe. This is a strategy I saw a lot in my observations. The teacher would present material for the content and then the students were covering. The aides would be in the back of the class or along with the students, and when the lecture was over, they would help the students finish the assignment or the homework they had. One example I experienced during this time was students were trying to count money in terms of how many denominations of each that they had. So they sat down and they counted the quarters and dimes and pennies and then dollar bills, and they tried to figure out how much each particular student had in their bag. And then after that, they would get their totals and double check it with their teacher or aide. For the station teaching, they kind of piggyback off of this lesson. I saw students teaching being utilized in my observations throughout the teacher and student aid sharing roles of instructions the students. The students split up into groups. One was with an aide that was going through an activity with 2 students. Another was an aide helping 2 students separately take tests. And the group was the teacher and another aide doing a group activity. From my experience, again with the money denomination, they broke up the room into 4 separate sections with a teacher leading one section, an aide leading another, and then the students leading their own. And they would take their bag of quote-unquote money and they would pretend to purchase items at each different station, making sure that they had enough to buy milk or cereal or fruits and vegetables, just so they could kind of get the concept and see how much their money was and how much they could get for what they had.